Are you ready to take your Bitcoin trading to the next level? Today, we're bringing together 3 powerful tools to create a robust, data-driven strategy that helps you navigate Bitcoin's market cycles with confidence. By combining Bitcoin Magazine Pro indicators, Rekt Capital's graphs, and BiTBO Power Law insights, we'll build a comprehensive trading plan that guides you through the ever-changing Bitcoin landscape. First, let's break down why integrating these 3 tools is so powerful. Bitcoin Magazine Pro provides you with macro trends and liquidity insights, offering valuable indicators like the MVRV score and Pi cycle top and bottom markers. Rekt Capital gives us a deep understanding of cycle timing and market psychology, helping to predict when key market shifts are likely to occur. BiTBO Power Law is the key to understanding Bitcoin's long-term valuation and price structure, giving us a clear picture of Bitcoin's future trajectory. By using all 3 tools together, we gain a holistic view of the market, allowing us to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Building a strategic trading plan. Let's start with Bitcoin Magazine Pro. Using Bitcoin Magazine Pro's tools, we can access key indicators like the MVRV score, and the Pi cycle top and bottom indicator, which helps identify market tops and bottoms. Next, consult Rekt Capital's graphs, which offer insights into historical price levels, key timings, and past market behavior. This will help us spot potential cycle peaks and troughs for 2025, predicting that the cycle top could occur between September 19th and October 20th, 2025. Now, let's overlay BiTBO's Power Law. This powerful tool helps determine if Bitcoin's current price is in line with its long-term price trends. By analyzing the BiTBO Power Law log rainbow chart, we can easily identify if Bitcoin is overvalued or in an attractive buying zone, based on past market patterns. The power of combining insights. By combining these insights, we create a powerful, multidimensional view of Bitcoin's behavior. This comprehensive approach helps us navigate Bitcoin's volatility, making it easier to identify long-term opportunities. One of the best tools for this is TradingView. A leading platform for market analysis, TradingView provides real-time data, customizable charts, and access to a global trading community. It's a perfect complement to the insights from Bitcoin Magazine Pro, Rekt Capital, and BiTBO's Power Law. M2 Growth in Bitcoin's bull cycles. To truly understand Bitcoin's price action, it's crucial to consider macroeconomic factors. For example, Bitcoin's bull cycles often align with periods of M2 money supply expansion. Since 2012, Bitcoin's biggest rallies have coincided with global liquidity expansions, including the post-2008 crisis, the 2016 to 2017 bull run, and the 2020 to 2021 pandemic stimulus surge. Bitcoin's halving cycles also play a key role. Every 4 years, Bitcoin's supply is halved, and historically, this event has been followed by periods of rising liquidity, fueling significant price increases. The synergy between Bitcoin's halving cycle and M2 liquidity cycles forms a predictable pattern that traders can capitalize on. Conclusion and final thoughts. When it comes to trading Bitcoin, using a multifaceted strategy is the key to success. By integrating Bitcoin Magazine Pro indicators, Rekt Capital's market cycles, and BiTBO's Power Law insights, you'll gain a comprehensive, data-driven approach that helps you identify high-probability trading opportunities. This strategy gives you a powerful edge in navigating Bitcoin's volatility and positioning yourself for sustainable gains. Remember, knowledge is power. By following the structured modules and insights from these tools, you'll deepen your understanding of market dynamics and significantly improve your chances of making profitable decisions. At CryptoFlowZone.com, we're dedicated to helping beginner and intermediate investors build secure, long-term portfolios through strategic Bitcoin trading. So, if you're ready to deepen your understanding and stay ahead of the curve, head over to CryptoFlowZone.com. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy trading!